Here I have CAT S31 and let me show you how to check IMEI number and serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me show you how to do it by using the secret code. So all you have to do is open the phone's dialer, activate the keypad, and let's use this code *#06#, and as you can see, the IMEI number just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this window, and now let me show you how to accomplish that by using the settings. So all you have to do is use the apps icon, find the settings icon right here, then let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and select About Phone. Afterwards, let's choose Status, and here you can find the serial number. You may also read the Bluetooth address and Wi-Fi MAC address right here. If you would like to have access to IMEI information, let's choose IMEI, and here you've got my IMEI numbers. So that's it. Let's go back to close these settings, and now you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.